Hello, I'd like to welcome you to another video from Global Ground Support. My name is Charles Preston. I'm the service manager for Global Ground Support. Today's video, we're going to cover code 75, which is per the manual, is hold circuit contact open. And what it refers to is what we call the latch relay. Now, on the newer boxes, this is your latch relay. Basically, the way it works, the computer sends a ground signal to the latch relay for it to energize. Then the latch relay sends a signal back to the computer telling it that it's latched. And basically what the latch relay does is holds everything in while the heater is running. Now, the most common problem that you see on the latch relay is on the older computer boards, that the ground will come from the latch relay to the computer board, but either the board itself is bad or a tracer in the board is bad and it doesn't get that ground input from the latch relay. Basically, the troubleshooting that you can do on the latch relay is check for power and ground on terminals 7 and 8 of the latch relay, and then you can check for your inputs and your outputs to the latch relay. There's not much troubleshooting other than that you can do to it. Thank you for watching the video.